I'd like to welcome each of you to the second yearly conference of the Saudi Group of Women's Heart (SGWH) and the Saudi Heart Association (SHA), a one-day virtual conference on 3rd February 2024. It's an exciting time for the SGWH Group as we are delivering this conference which focuses on cardiac disease in a very special group of the population, which are women. In today's conference, we are hoping that this activity will increase awareness of treatment of the cardiac diseases in women, specifically coronary artery diseases, and improve our understanding of the CVD burden in women. Also to focus on the importance of not only traditional, but also unique cardiac risk factors in women like pregnancy-related issues. Open the link on the registration email sent to you, and it will direct you to the virtual conference user login portal. Kindly enter your email address and password on your received registration email. If you have forgotten your password, you may click on the Forgot Password button and receive an email to reset your password. If you have not registered yet, kindly click the button to register now. Once you have signed in, the window will direct you to the main lobby, which will be your ideal starting point. You may edit your profile by clicking on the profile icon in the upper right corner and the notification bell icon beside the profile icon, which serves as the notification for the latest announcement of the virtual conference. You can switch between halls with just one click on the lobby or by clicking the tabs on your dashboard's upper side without any hassle or long walks.
Auditorium. Here in the auditorium, you'll attend live sessions in webinar format. Please take note of the following upon attending a session. Click this Maximize icon to view in full screen, and make sure to join audio by computer by clicking the headphones icon. You may click the Q&A type box by clicking the Q&A icon to ask questions related to the ongoing session, and the moderator will assist you. Click the Leave Webinar button to leave the session. Agenda. You'll find the agenda according to the hall. When you click the Join Session button, it will automatically take you to the live session. And down here is a button that you may add to your Google Calendar to pin on your schedule and keep you notified. Exhibit Hall. Our industry partners will showcase the latest devices, innovations, and interventional therapies in this unique virtual exhibition hall. Even the booth looks realistic and includes documents, videos, individual branding, and contacts. When you click the booth, you may check their services provided in the description box. And you can add their documents or videos to your virtual bag and send it to your email. You'll also have the opportunity to interact with our industry partners by asking live questions by joining the Start Chat button.
At the information desk, type your questions and get your answers in real time from our online representatives. This lounge is only for speakers and moderators. Throughout this conference, we ask you to stay engaged, keep us proactive, and help us shape the future of women's heart health in Saudi Arabia. Our respect and thanks to all of you.